आजको हाम्रो कार्यक्रममा हाम्रो अतिथि हुनुहुन्छ रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानीका चार्टर प्रेसिडेन्ट राजेन्द्र बहादुर श्रेष्ठज्यू। आउनुहोस् उहाँलाई कार्यक्रममा स्वागत गरौँ। सर, यहाँलाई कार्यक्रममा स्वागत छ।
धन्यवाद।
रोटरी भनेको एउटा सेवामा लागि पर्ने संस्था पक्कै पनि हो, तर यस बाहेक भन्नुपर्दा रोटरी के लाग्छ यहाँलाई? के भनेर बुझाउन चाहनुहुन्छ रोटरीलाई?
रोटरीलाई सामाजिक संस्थाको रूपमा यसको पहिचान त छ नै, तर यो चाहिँ तपाईको this organization of the professional and successful leaders who have already served in their own profession. So you can call it a professional haruko organization which is also committed towards the community service. नेपालमा करिब 90 वटा क्लब्सहरु छन्, spread all over the country. Far west मा छैन, mainly urban based छ अहिले. Slowly the growth is, is coming up now. So, इसका 3-4 वटा फाइदा के छन् भने Rotary Foundation is such a big foundation in terms of its monetary capacity. World को richest foundation is Bill Gates and Melinda Foundation, and the Rotary Foundation is supposed to be the second richest organization after that. So it has so much of resources. And त्यसको multiplier effect. You put $1,000, you get $30,000. So you should have a good project. पैसा मात्रै भएर हुँदैन. If you have a good project, then Rotary International, the Rotary Foundation, can support that community development activities all over the country. And you know, Nepalma, you go anywhere, you'll find something to be done. चाहे health को field में होस्, चाहे education को field में होस्, चाहे environment को field में होस्, होइन? Any field. So र यसको networking को जुन power छ, करीब we have I think 3,000 members of different background. So that's how you develop your fellowship, your acquaintances, and it can help you in your profession also. र not only within the country, even outside. As I said, there are 2,000 countries there Rotaries are, and 12 lakh सदस्यहरू छन्. So you're not only a Nepalese Rotarian, you are an international Rotarian. So look at the power. So विशेष गरिकन दर्शकहरूलाई जसले हेरिराख्नु भएको छ, रोटरीलाई बुझ्नको निम्ति मैले मात्रै भनेर भएन, you should come and try to know more. र अर्को एउटा कुरा रोटरीमा चाहिँ it's not by application. You just apply and don't get the membership. It's always by invitation. Somebody will have to invite, right? So you can take me as your friend, and you can come and contact me.
That's great.
And I can put you into Rotary.
You are a Rotarian since 13 years, more than a decade. Rotarian बन्ने विचार चाहिँ कहाँबाट आयो यहाँमा?
Rotary मा प्रवेश गर्ने पनि एउटा यो by accident भनौं न. Dr. Tikaman Vaidya, who is the first district governor of हाम्रो independent district भइसकेपछि करिब 6 वर्ष अगाडि 2008 मा. So he used to ask me to be a Rotarian करिब 16-17 वर्ष अगाडिदेखि. Since I have come from a JC's background, I always thought that यो JC's पछि अब Rotary Lions सायद मेरो लागि त्यति साह्रो palatable नहोला, किनभने I come from a different background. Rotary को विषयमा, in fact I should have joined Rotary back in 1977, आजभन्दा करिब 37-38 वर्ष अगाडि, when I was based in Biratnagar. When I was international vice president of JC's, I was requested to be a Rotarian. Well, I thought that the Rotary had organized of old people. Well, I was very young then. But later on, it's just because of Dr. Tikaman Vaidya. He kept on requesting, though whenever he used to come, I used to run away. I shouldn't join Rotary anyway. Finally, in 2002, he came to my house and said, now Rajan, now you should open a Rotary. I said, give me 2 good reasons. So he said, we need you because we need our independent district. We got to have so many number of clubs in the country, and we didn't have the required number of clubs. That's one good reason why you should be in Rotary and you should open a new Rotary club. I said, fine, that's the first. Give me another reason. said, we need people like you who are trainers in GC. So we need a lot of trainers in Rotary. And I didn't have any answer. I said, okay, I joined Rotary and I founded a Rotary Club of Rajdhani. And friends requested me to become a charter president. Again, by accident, I became a charter president. And that's how the Rotary career began. And I'm enjoying Rotary. I'm enjoying Rotary because there are a lot of avenues which gives opportunities for people like us to have the networking. This is an international organization. It's spread in 200 countries plus. There are almost 12 lakhs members all over. And people, as I said before, this organization, the professionals. It's always good to be in Rotary and I'm enjoying Rotary.
रोटरी को मूल मन्त्र सर्भिस अबभ सेल्फ आफूलाई बिर्सेर समाजको लागि लागि पर्ने यो त छँदै नै छ तर रोटरीमा लागे पश्चात आफूलाई पनि व्यक्तिगत विकास पनि हुन्छ होला नि केही फाइदाजनक विषयवस्तु त छन् होला नि आफ्नो लागि पनि
हुन सक्छ किनभने unless an individual is capable of running an organization, running a social organization. He can be a very good businessman, he can be a very good entrepreneur, he could be a very good bureaucrat. But to run a social organization, it needs a different kind of expertise. And of course, when you're in the organization, it teaches you those things because they can emulate successful social leaders. And we have a lot of social leaders in Rotary. So it gives an opportunity. After individual development, opportunity दियो नि त्यसले हैन
एक्ज्याक्टली रोटरी बुढोको क्लब भनेर पनि चिनिन्छ नि
म अलिकति डिफरेन्ट स्कुल अफ थट को भने वेल 1977 मा मैले जुन भने नि यो बुढोहरुको क्लब बुढो केसमा एजले बुढो एज इज जस्ट अ नम्बर यो शरीर भनेको इज द हार्डवेयर द सफ्टवेयर इज योर ब्रेन इज योर माइन्ड इज योर हार्ट इफ दैट सफ्टवेयर इज गुड
सो यु आर नेभर ओल्ड
एज डजन्ट म्याटर यु आर नेभर ओल्ड So now after being in Rotary for last 13 years, now I have started very strongly feeling that we should have people of young age also. Young age brings a lot of young good ideas, you know, 21st century. They bring a lot of good things in Rotary, the vibration राम्रो
अहिलेको समयमा रोटरीमा युवा पुस्ताको चाहिँ कतिको जरुरत छ
एकदम राम्रो क्षेत्र हो एकदम राम्रो क्षेत्र हो यद्यपि 18 वर्षदेखि 30 वर्षका युवाहरूको निम्ति रोड ट्र्याक क्लब छ that's the training period for young professionals to know about themselves, know about the society, know about the community development. And after they cross the age of 30, then of course the Rotary world is there for them. So I strongly recommend the road tracks who are of the age 18 to 30, after they cross the age of 30, to come into Rotary, which we have not been able to do that. अब त्यसको लागि Rotary organization ले नेपालको 3292 leadership ले बडा seriously सोच्नुपर्छ how to attract the young people with the young ideas, with the young vibration. And the road tracks could be one field or one area from where we should be able to recruit already trained people in Rotary. Of course, road track like in my club. Recently, we have been able to attract few young professionals, like one from medias, women, a girl, I'll say, she's just 27, 28. Well, we are 60 plus, and she's enjoying because we talk about young people, and we have attracted another young person who is also in the media. He's just 32 or 34 years old. So young people are coming. You should lead by example. Then telling others to recruit young members. Exactly. It should start from our club, and our club, from this year, we are attracting young people in our organization.
जीवनको एक दशक भन्दा लामो समय यहाँले रोटरीलाई दिइसक्नुभयो यस बीचमा आफूले व्यक्तिगत रूपमा योगदान चाहिँ के कस्ता दिन सक्नुभयो
मैले दिएको योगदान या प्राप्त जेसीबाट रोटरीबाट प्राप्त भएको योगदान भन्नुहुन्छ
यहाँले दिनु भएको योगदान चाहिँ
वेल मेरो लाग्छ फर्स्ट अफ अल आई एम भेरी प्राउड टु से दैट I have been able to attract a lot of professionals, a lot of good people of different classifications like doctors, engineers, bankers, of people of the financial service, social workers, to bring in the organization and have that networking. Very good fellowship. अर्को कुरा लाग्छ मैले मेरो क्लबमा या डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेभलमा since I come from JC's background, which is a training organization, it's a leadership organization. So I'm more inclined towards sharing my knowledge. त्यो फिल्डमा मैले के दिएको हो कि जस्तो लाग्छ. I don't know, it's others to judge. But मेरो व्यक्तिगत रूपमा के धारणा छ भने रोटरीमा मान्छे बुझेर लाग्नुपर्छ. They should know what Rotary is all about. They should know what Rotary can deliver. Unless you tell them in a much nicer way, हैन पढाएको जस्तो हैन, then they will not only be in the organization, they'll remain in the organization. The problem with any organization, especially in Rotary, is people come and people go. The retention level is very low. Recruitment is not a problem. You can recruit, but if they don't find interest in Rotary, there's no reason why they should stay.
Members ओगट्ने मात्रै होइन, membersलाई थाहा पनि हुनु पर्यो रोटरी भनेको के हो भनेर.
The retention.
हजुर हो.
Extension को दुईटा dimension छ. One is growth, one is recruitment, not the retention. हैन? So retention को लागि चाहिँ you should be able to tell them what Rotary is all about. You should be able to tell them the power of Rotary. रोटरीले विशेष रूपमा ओगट्ने गरेको क्षेत्रहरूमा यहाँले जोइन गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ कुन क्षेत्रमा बढी विकास आएको यहाँलाई महसुस भएको छ? आइरहेको छ, भर्खर सुरु भएको छ. हेल्थको फिल्डमा, एजुकेसनको फिल्डमा धेरै एरियाज ओपन. लट अफ थिङ्स क्यान बी डन.
2013-14 को रोटरी रिवार्ड हेर्ने हो भने द रोटरी फाउन्डेसनको अन्तर्गत TRF पर क्यापिटामा रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानी तेस्रो स्थानमा आएको थियो, जस अन्तर्गत यो क्लबले 590.76 को $590.76 क्याश प्राइज पनि पाएको थियो. यो पैसा चाहिँ केमा युज हुन्छ?
वेल, द रोटरी फाउन्डेसनमा मान्छेहरूले दिन्छन् पैसा. पैसा मात्र होइन, यसले समय पनि दिनुपर्छ. पैसा हुनेले पैसा दिने हो, पैसा नहुनेले समय दिने हो. So I'm very proud to say that हाम्रो दानवीर साथीहरू छन् हाम्रो क्लबमा. So they've given the money, the Rotary Foundation. Or the best part is after 3 years, the 50% comes back to your district. So whatever अरू संस्थाहरूमा त्यो हुँदैन. That's the power of Rotary Foundation. अरू संस्थामा दिए भने त्यो गयो. यहाँ चाहिँ दिएर पनि फेरि फिर्ता आउँछ. यो प्राइज मनी, यो प्राइज होइन, यो रोटरी फाउन्डेसनलाई हामीले कन्ट्रिब्युट गरेको हाम्रो क्लबले. इट्स रिटर्न आफ्टर 3 years it comes back and it can be used for any project. It doesn't come to the club, it comes to the district. Then you got to apply for the projects.
रोटरीमा आबद्ध भइसकेदेखिको अहिलेसम्मको समयमा एउटा कुनै यस्तो रमणीय एक्सपिरियन्स छ यहाँले हाम्रो दर्शक समक्ष शेयर गर्न मन लाग्ने?
धेरै छ. त्यसमध्येमा एउटा रमाइलो घटना छ. आजभन्दा 4 वर्ष अगाडि 2010 मा मैले जिन्दगीमा फर्स्ट टाइम जुन चाहिँ इन्टरभ्यू लिइरहेको मान्छे इन्टरभ्यू दिन भनेर गएँ म. त्यसको लागि द ग्रुप स्टडी एक्सचेन्ज GSC प्रोग्राम भन्छ, which is a very powerful program of the Rotary International, where one Rotarian is selected as the team leader. त्यसको लागि धेरैजनाले एप्लाई गर्छन्. So I also applied. अनि त्यसपछि 4-5 जना young professionals who are not Rotarians, not necessarily Rotarian, not necessarily in Rotary family-सँग related हुनु हुँदैन, professionals-हरु र विशेष गरी young professionals-हरु, Rotaractor of course then apply. 4 जनाको त्यो टिमलाई मैले लिड गर्ने मौका पाएँ र त्यो इन्टरभ्यू दिने जाने बेलामा मैले लाइफको फर्स्ट इन्टरभ्यू हो. That was very interesting. People started asking me questions, and before going to that examination, Banu, I mugged like anything. The whole night I read, because the fear of failure was there. Fortunately, I passed, so I could lead that team for a month in LA, Los Angeles, America. So that was very interesting. 1 महिनाको American familiesहरुसँग classifications after vocations को पनि स्टडी गर्न पाउने र त्यहाँको रोटेरियनसँग पनि भेट्न पाउने र विशेष गरेर अमेरिकन फ्यामिलीजहरुसँग बसिकन, नट होटलमा बस्ने होइन. So that was a very interesting part of my life. That was 4 years back, which I will always relish. I've been to America many times. I've been to America 10 times, but this visit, single visit, was much heavier than another 9 visits. So I thank Rotary for giving me that opportunity.
जसरी यहाँले रोटरी जोइन गर्नको लागि दुईटा पोइन्ट दिनुहोस् भनेर सोध्नु भएको थियो, त्यस्तै नै हाम्रो भ्युअर्सले पनि दुईटा के पोइन्ट हुन सक्छ त रोटरी जोइन गर्नको लागि भनेर सोध्नु भयो भने के भन्नुहुन्छ, के हुन सक्छ त्यो दुईटा पोइन्ट?
Rotary is the organization of the professional doing lot of community service. If you are a professional, you should come. You'll have the opportunity of having the network. Number 2, तपाईको फुर्सदको समय हैन, you can devote your time for the अरूको लागि, service above self. That's the motto.
हामी कार्यक्रमको लगभग अन्त्यतिर आइ नै सकेका छौं। अब अन्तिममा हाम्रो दर्शक समक्ष यहाँको तर्फबाट के सन्देश दिन चाहनुहुन्छ?
Well, Rotary भन्ने चीज इन्टरनेशनल अर्गनाइजेसन भए तापनि नेपालको हावापानी माटोमा सौदो रोटरी बनाउनुको निम्ति हामीहरू लागि परेका छौं र तपाईहरुले पनि रोटरीलाई एउटा इन्टरनेशनल अर्गनाइजेसन, यो धनीहरुको संस्था, यो अंग्रेजी बोल्नेहरुको मात्रै संस्था, शहरमा मात्रै सीमित भएको संस्था भनेर नसोचिदिनुस्। जति पनि संस्थाहरू छन् नेपाल भित्र, राजनीति बाहेक है, सबै संस्थाहरू मलाई लाग्छ केही न केही आफ्नो क्षमताले भएसम्म यो देशको विकासको निम्ति, सामाजिक विकासको निम्ति लागि परेका छन्। रोटरी पनि त्यो मध्येको एउटा अग्रणी संस्था हो र वर्ल्डकै एउटा वान अफ द ओल्डेस्ट अर्गनाइजेसन हो। यद्यपि नेपालमा आएको धेरै भएको छैन, 55 वर्ष मात्र भयो। त मलाई लाग्छ रोटरीले गरेको सेवा यसले सम्पूर्णता प्राप्त गरेको म भन्दिनँ, तर यसका असीम सम्भावनाहरू छन्। रोटरी इज अ गुड अर्गनाइजेसन।
आफ्नो निकै व्यस्त समय स्केड्युलको बावजुद यहाँ हाम्रो स्टुडियोसम्म आइदिनु भयो, आफ्नो विचारहरू हाम्रो दर्शक समक्ष पोखिदिनु भयो। सर, यहाँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद यहाँ आइदिनु भएकोमा।
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
हजुर, आज हामीसँग स्टुडियोमा हुनुहुन्थ्यो रोटरी क्लब अफ राजधानीका चार्टर प्रेसिडेन्ट राजेन्द्र बहादुर श्रेष्ठज्यू। उहाँसँग हामीले रोटरी विशेष निकै नै मनोरञ्जनात्मक कुराकानी गरि नै हाल्यौं। आगामी दिनमा पनि यस्तै व्यक्तित्वका साथ यस्तै कुराकानी लिएर हामी उपस्थित हुने नै छौं। तबसम्मको लागि हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण युनिट सहित म प्रियङ्कालाई पनि बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्कार।